Okay, Panthers Central. Our open league category. First position of Central. Santos. Pass to Tugong Banwa. Guard by Julian. To Isole. For ball. Rebound by Santos. Nice move coming from Montes. Montes. Active for defense foul. Foul on number 22 on Central.
Okay, ready?
Baliktad tayo, baliktad. Change court tayo, change court. Here. Panthers with first here.
Huh? What?
Oh, we're supposed to be going this way.
Kasi first goal here, Panthers.
No,
Panthers ball, Panthers.
When we did a tip ball, we won
Yeah,
it
but
that
yeah,
way.
it's wrong. It should be changed. It should be there.
Committee error. Inbounding Julian to Montes. Pass to DJ Iloso. Jumps back to Montes.
Julian, first yes.
Nice ball movement. Great ball movement.
What a shot coming from Julian.
Dos lang yun? Dos lang yun?
Right there. Middle.
And 40 to shoot, kick ball. 40% shot clock, 14.
There you go, stay in front. There it is.
Time to shoot. Intercepted by Montes. Montes now, guarded by Joseph. Up. Struggling violation of DJ Iloso. First turnover of the Panthers. Too strong. Rebound on DJ. To Julian. Pass to DJ Iloso. Strong move. Foul. Foul on Pangilinan. The power Pangilinan. Foul. Iloso. Isole. First on Isole. First team foul on Central.
First team foul. It was a foul just before. First. Sir.
There you go.
I will ask.
Foul here on the midline.
Nice.
Now 4-0. 5-0. Favor of Panthers. 8 minutes 10 seconds.
You need some help, Mike?
Coming no?
Hands up.
Hands up.
Too strong. Rebound on Tugong Banwa. 14 to shoot. Santos. Foul. Technical foul on number 5 on
No warning?
No.
skirting. No warning on the skirting. It's technical foul on Montes. First on Montes. First team foul on Panthers.
Ball don't lie.
Why would he do that?
Shouting. Escorting.
They got two teams.
Clapping.
They got two teams.
Santos set to shoot. Yes on Santos.
I need one only here for the rebel line here.
2-5 now. 2 against 5. Panthers. Nice pass. Intercepted. Isole. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Inbounding Julian. Julian guarded by Isole. 10 to shoot. Montes. To DJ Iloso. Air ball. Rebound Isole.
Backdoor.
Nice fake. Short. Rebound Pangilinan. Pangilinan strong move. Pangilinan. Yes on Pangilinan. Now 5-4, 1 point lead on Panthers. Julian, intercepted by Pangilinan. It's 3-on-3. Pangilinan, Brad, go to goal. Started by Julian. Basket count and 1 on Pangilinan. First personal foul on Panthers, Julian. Second team foul on the Panthers.
So it was second foul for them as well on the 22 head before.
After time out.
Strong. Call it. You don't cut it. Call the cut. You don't cut. Call the cut. You don't cut. Call it. Like call one of them for it. And come out. When you cut baseline, don't do it. Just call one of them.
Okay, for rebound. Let's
Julian rebound. Jumps.
Off balance.
Air ball. Air ball. Our score 6-5.
Take your time.
1 point lead on Central. 6 minutes 30 seconds. 6 minutes 30 seconds. Pistolet. Paso Santos. Remove. Santos goes to goal. That goes! 8-5 now. 3 point lead on Central. Montes. Nice move. Foul. Foul on number 20 on Pangilinan. 13 foul on Central. First on Pangilinan.
Finish it on defense. How much time?
6 minutes 10 seconds. 8-5 our score. 3 point lead on Central. 6 minutes 10 seconds. 6 minutes 10 seconds. Rebound on Santos.
I like the effort.
Santos now.
Stop the ball.
Oh, to the jumps. Joseph. Too strong. Rebound foul.
Travel.
Foul on number 24. Strong. 30 foul on Panthers. First personal foul on Strong.
On the floor, let's go. Watch the cut. There he is.
40 to shoot.
Corner, Jordan.
Nice steal again by Julian. Julian, 1-on-1. Julian escape. Wow, Julian. Now 8-7. 1 point lead now on Panthers Central. Istole. Santos again. Strong move. Oh, Santos. 10-7. 3 point lead on Central. Nice pass. DJ. Oh, what a move by DJ. Lorenzo. 10-9.
Charge.
Yes, on Joseph. 12-9. Back to 3 point lead on Central. Julian. Bang on Julian. Now 12 ball. Our first step of the game.
Turn around.
Nice shot.
Yes, on Isole. Time out on Panthers.
Rest.
Score 12 against 15. Montes. Started by Tumubanwa. Montes now. 2 jumps. Same spot. Julian. Bang on Julian.
beautiful.
Or 15 all. Or third down of the game. 15 all. Santos. Rebound by Strong. Looking for Montes. Montes now. 4 minutes. Dantes escape. Yo, by Montes.
Good job.
Turn around. Right there.
Now 17 to 15, 2 point lead on the Panthers. Istole.
Pressure.
Pass to Pangilinan. Big. Pangilinan. 40 to shoot. Foul.
Still in the lane.
Foul on number 24 on Strong. Second personal foul on Strong. Warning for penalty on Panthers.
Then we we had 14. We just scored 5 points. It was a 3 and a 2.
Here's him. Was your
Pressure. Good job, Jack.
The score was 14 to 15.
Yeah. So only 2 because they scored 15
No,
only.
Julian shot a
Shooter.
3. And he shot a
Only
layup.
30, yeah. Same. Only 15 only.
Okay.
Score is 17-15. What's my rep?
No, only 2 points. 2 points only, not 3.
Foul on number 31 on BJ Yuso. Penalty. First personal foul on Yuso.
It's 12 all, 3-3, 15, and 2.
Now 17-16.
I will.
17 all. Julian, 3 minutes 30. Yes, on jumps. 22-17. 3-point lead now on the Panthers. 3 minutes 20 seconds.
Panthers warning for delaying the game.
Warning on Panthers for delaying the game.
Anybody touch the ball? Anybody touch the ball?
20-17. Isole to Pangilinan. Santos, 14 to shoot. Pangilinan. Too strong, rebound by Montes. Only 3-point lead on the Panthers, 20 against 17.
Good pass.
Shots again, short. Foul. Foul on number 22 on Joseph. Warning for penalty on Central, warning. First on Joseph. Let's play ball, enjoy the ball game. Two minutes 50 seconds.
Let's play.
21-17, 4-point lead now on the Panthers. Santos Pangilinan. Traveling violation of Pangilinan, turnover on Central. Back-to-back turnover against Central. Our appellate category, Panthers against Rem Central. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Julian. Pass to DJ Ilioso. Too strong. Rebound on Santos.
Watch out. Nice shot.
Joseph.
Rebound, yes.
Yeah, Cam.
Strong now, powerful rebound. Pass to Julian. Julian looking for 1-1. Julian guarded by 2. Julian escape. Julian strike. Julian. Nice pass outside to Ilioso. Yes! On Ilioso. 23 against 17.
Way to work.
6-point lead now on the Panthers.
Stop him there.
His defense on strong. 1 minute 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. Foul.
On the ground.
19.
Foul on number 19 on Panthers. Penalty.
We're not in penalty.
First on Japs.
I thought you said warning for penalty, right?
Now Panthers and penalty. Central on warning. 23-18. 23-19. Back to 4-point lead on the Panthers. Julian.
Switch with Kim.
Hey. Pass to strong. 14 to shoot. Ball. Isole. Oh, nice defense of Montes. 1 minute 19 seconds. Remaining time 1 minute 19 seconds. Central ball, 20 seconds, set clock, 20. Inbounding to Balma, to Santos. Santos, move, Santos, defense, nice move, again, Santos again, yes, on Santos! 21 to 23, 2-point lead now against Panthers, 1 minute! Bang, 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 on Montes! 26 to 21, back to 5-point lead on the Panthers. Isole, coast to coast, Adrian. Too strong, rebound again by Julian. It's 2-2, Julian, drive, Julian, foul. Foul on Isole. Now central and penalty. Second personal foul on Isole. 40 seconds.
Only one here, standing here, only one. Coach only, coach.
Nice shot by Julian. 27 against 21.
Go, Julian!
Last throw by Julian. Now 28 to 21. 7-point lead now on the Panthers. 35 seconds. Isole. Cardiel Montes.
You got it, Means. You got it.
Isole again. 40 off the ball. 28 seconds. 14 seconds. 14.
Right there.
Santos. Nice pass. Oh, Pangilinan. 28 to 23. 20 seconds. Strong Julian. 15.
Y'all both there.
10.
They give it to you, you take it. Burn. Burn.
Bang, 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 bang. On the go. And number first score 31 to 23 in favor of Hunters. Now Teruel, Demi. Tuon, now in the ball game. Demi. To Demon. Back to Demi. Pick. Nice pass to Demon. Oh, stepping on the line on Demi. Turnover against Panthers. Nice defense on Central.
Good movement. Keep that going.
Our score. Carrion, makalala now in the ball game.
Oh, good effort, kid.
Oh, Steve Lateral. Save ball. 18 to shoot, 18-18.
Come on, we already know.
Oh, still foul. Foul on number 5 on Carrion.
Wait.
Tarayo. First timeout. Oh. Back to the ball. Grand score 31 to 23. 8-point lead on the Panthers. Inbounding now, Demi. Demi to the Ruel. Back to Demi. Pick, back to the Ruel. Escape drive. Nice pass. Demon block behind. 14 to shoot. 14. Foul.
Good job, Simon!
Foul on number 11 on Central. 2 free throw shot against first personal foul on Abdullah. Second team foul on Central.
That's right. That's all right.
On the line.
It's a
the pass. Don't worry about it. We don't. Come on, Batman.
Short. Makalalad. Too strong. Hindi pa na kayo. Black! Foul!
Foul number 13.
Foul on number 30 on Tuon. First personal foul against Tuon. First team foul on the Panthers. Two free throw shots. Award by Carion. Yes. 24 to 31. 7-point lead now on Panthers. 31 against 24. Rebound on the big guy. Tuon to Demi. Demi now. Pass to Teruel. Looking for Tuon. To Demon. Stop. Demon. Too strong. Rebound by Abdala. Abdala to Arrayo. Arrayo. Pukarion. Makalan. 40 to shoot. De La Cruz. Air ball. Rebound ng Teruel now. Stop up. Looking for... Yes! 33 to 24. Back to 9-point lead on Panthers. 7 minutes 50 seconds. Makalalan.
Moving pick.
Pass to Abdala. Back to Makalalan. Fake. Makalalan. Drive. Makalalan. Nice pass outside. 3-second violation on Abdala. Turnover of Central. Nice defense on Panthers. Steelers score 33 against 24. 9-point lead on Panthers. Demon. De La Cruz. Demi. First shot. Short. Panthers ball. Panthers. 7 minutes 20 seconds. Steelers scoreless in the game. 24. Makalalan. Calde Teruel. Arrayo. Too strong.
Good.
Teruel all the way, all alone. Nice pass. Yes, and Teruel. 35 to 24. 11-point lead now on Panthers. Makalalan. To Abdala. Short. Ibawan on De La Cruz. Panthers ball. Panthers 6 minutes 40 seconds.
Eyes on the ball. Eyes on the ball.
Now Demi on the ball game. Demi. Foul! Basket gun and one.
Good job, y'all.
Foul on number 24. On Carion. First personal foul on Carion. 13 foul on Central. Basket gun and one against
Yan,
Gutman.
Good rebound.
Out! Whoa! Nabigay nito on 39 to 24. 15-point lead now on Panthers. Makalalan. Kali by Demi. Pass outside. Ton. Nice to Abdala. Open jump. Abdala. Too strong. Makalalan. Fake. Makalalan. 40 to shoot. Makalalan. Short. Rebound on Chapman. Foul. Foul on number 35 for Makalalan. Warning for penalty on Central. Warning for penalty. First on Makalalan. Bowling to Teruel.
How many team fouls they have now?
Warning.
4.
Short. Foul.
Good pass, though.
24 again.
Foul again on number 24 Carion. Penalty. Second personal foul on number 24 Carion. 39 to 24.
There you go.
15-point lead on Panthers. 5 minutes 40 seconds. Remaining time on our second quarter.
Good.
Foul. Foul on number 22 on Demon. Second team foul on Panthers. First personal foul against Demon. Makalalan.
Stop back, guys. You're good. Get back.
Moving pick.
magaling pick and roll ko, malalaki yan.
Oh, good man.
That's all right. That's all right.
Don't overplay. Don't
Arayo.
overplay.
Arion, foul.
Charge.
Foul on number 10 on Demi. First personal foul on number 10 Demi. 13 foul on the Panthers. 4 minutes 55 seconds. On our second quarter. So now to Demi. To Teruel. Looking for Catman. Back to Demi. Attempt. Bang! On Demi! 42 to 24. 18-point lead on Panthers.
Good pressure. Good pressure.
Makalan.
Good pressure.
Utarayo. Steve Mason. Ready to shoot.
Good hit.
4 minutes 20 seconds. 42 to 24. Still again by doubt. 14 to shoot. Makalanan. 10. De La Cruz. Too strong. Rebound on Carrion.
Good work,
Arayo.
Good
Steal by
work.
Gone. On to Demon.
Take your time.
Demon now. The mass Demon. Pass to Teruel. Looking to Catman. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Rebounded by Catman. Demi. Airball. Gone. Wow! Basket down and 1 against 1. Foul again on number 24. Arayo. Third personal foul on Arayo.
Number 24? 24, Parayo?
Carrion. Basket count and 1 against 1. 44 to 24. 44 to 45. 21-point lead now against Panthers.
Keep it up. Side.
Makalanan.
Good pressure.
To Carrion. Abdallah. Pass to De La Cruz. Nice defense on Demon. Teruel. Left-handed Teruel. Too strong. Rebound on De La Cruz.
That's all right. Get back on
De La
me.
Cruz to Makalanan. Foul.
3-0.
Foul on number 30 on Tuon. Warning for penalty on Panthers. Second personal foul on the big guy. Warning for penalty on Panthers. Third. 10 to shoot. 5. Block. Foul.
No, foul.
Said 5 seconds.
5 seconds foul.
It's been past 5
You 1 second left. 1 second left. Tom.
Usmanet. Foul on number 10 on Demi. Penalty. Both teams now in penalty. Second personal foul on Demi. Both teams now in penalty. 45 to 24. 21-point lead on Panthers. Chopper ready. I shot by 12, 46 to 24.
Nice shot.
47 to 24, 23-point lead on the Panthers. 2 minutes 20 seconds.
Oh, yes, kid. Oh, good.
Arion to Tarayo. Tarayo to De La Cruz. To Abdallah. Abdallah, side step. Abdallah, blocked by Demon. Rebound on De La Cruz. 14 to shoot. Makalalat. Nice pass. Short again. Rebound on Makalalat. 14 to shoot again. Yes, on De La Cruz. 26 against 47. Back to 21 point lead on Panthers. Catman to Teruel. Teruel looking for Demon. Back to Catman. Catman. Open jump. Triple shots short. Central ball. Central. 1 minute 39 seconds.
Don't foul, guys.
Still 11, 21 point lead on the Panthers.
Good pressure. Force him inside.
Makalala, guard by Demi.
Inside.
Abdallah. Too strong, rebound by Demon. Demon to Teruel, it's 2-1. Teruel, oh, he's still by Makalala.
That's all right. Then he's
Makalala now. It's 1-2. Makalala stop pump. Yes, on Makalala, 28 to 47. Back to 19 point lead on the Panthers. 1 minute. Oh, back violation.
Guys, there's seconds left.
1 minute remain time, 1 minute. 47 to 28, 19 point lead on Panthers. Abdallah. Pass to Kariot. 14 to shoot. Nice take. Salalan. Stop pump. Too strong. Rebound on Tarayo. Third jumper short. Rebound on Tuon. 40 seconds.
Sagad.
Akala, guard by Kalala to Demi. Short, rebound on De La Cruz. 25 seconds.
Stop him there.
Don't foul.
That's right. No fouls necessary.
Balik.
To Abdallah. 15 seconds. De La Cruz.
Good job.
All alone, Teruel. All alone. Yes, and Teruel. 49 to 28. 6 seconds.
No foul.
Nice one. Yeah.
And on for second quarter.
Watch out, weak side ball, weak side.
Isole to Bumano.
Each other.
Back to Santos. Guarded by PJ.
The NBA players get offers.
Bago tayo ba, technical tayo disconcerting. Akala niya na out of the game.
Technical foul on Montes. Second technical foul out of the game.
No, you're out. Out. So that's deep.
Bonus throw, technical foul against Joseph.
No warning.
You didn't get a warning the first time.
Yes, but you did get it.
He did. When I shot my free throw.
Okay, let's go, guys. You see? God's plan. Come on, guys.
Our score 49 to 28. 21 point lead on Panthers.
No way.
2-1.
Julian there.
Looking for Chance to Julian.
Go up to high post. Go help.
DJ.
Yeah.
Tuan. 14 to shoot. Back to Julian. 10 to shoot. High.
In your face. Yeah.
Bang! On Julian. 52 to 28.
Gonna watch the video.
Santos. Yes, on Santos. 52 to 30. Back to 24 point lead on Panthers. Julian now. Guarded by Joseph. Julian. To Tuan. Chance, time to shoot. DJ. To Tuan. Open jump. Big guy. Now, bang shot against Tuan. 54 to 30. 14 point lead on the Panthers. Isole now. Guarded by Chance. To Bumbanwa. Fake. To Joseph. Pangilinan. In and out. Di bola agad Pangilinan. Traveling violation on Pangilinan. 8 minutes 20 seconds. Now 54 to 30 on Panthers.
Let's go, guys.
Julian.
Nice.
Drive. Julian. Oh! Short! Rebound ng Pangilinan. Pangilinan. Steal again by Julian. Now, stepping on the line. Red ball, red. Central ball, central. Nice defense against Julian. Tubong Banwa to Santos. Pass to Tubong Banwa. Pick. Back to Isole. First basket. Too strong. Rebound on Tubong Banwa. Tubong Banwa. To Joseph. Short again. Rebound on the big guy. Tuon. 54 to 30 now. Arsenio. Looking for Tuon. Tuon to Arsenio. Skate, pick. Arsenio. Yo-yo move. Oh! Arsenio! 56 to 30. 26-point lead now against Panthers.
Rebound.
Bang on Tubong Banwa! 56 to 33. Back to 23-point lead on Panthers. Arsenio to DJ Eso. DJ now, gusto ko, DJ Galibay, DJ Pau! Foul on number 23 on Pangilinan. Number 20 on Pangilinan. First team foul on Central. Second team foul. Second personal foul on Pangilinan.
Yes.
Shot by DJ Leso. 6 minutes, 40 seconds. Short. One more re-entry on number 12 on Isole. Wait for the ball to come. Wait for the ball.
Watch out, right?
58 to 33, 25-point lead on the Panthers. Isole, Tubong Banwa, Santos. Foul. Foul on number 55 on Arsenio. First personal foul on Arsenio, first team foul on Panthers. Warning for technical on Tuon for continuous complaining. Warning on Tuon.
Other side. Somebody get a corner. Hey, cut.
Yes, on Joseph! 58 to 35. Back to 23-point lead on Panthers. Tuon. Guarded by Santos. Tuon now. To Arsenio. Oh! Turnover. Nice defense on Central. Foul. Blocking foul on number 30 on Tuon. Second team foul on Panthers. Foul! Technical foul against Tuon for continuous complaining. Chance on complaining. Technical foul on 0-0 on Chance.
Stop.
Nice.
Substitution, reps up.
Boss, Mike, may 5 minutes na tayo.
Substitution, reps up.
Gaya, pumasok na yan ah.
Already done? Let's go.
Guys, don't overplay. We gotta lead. Scoop down to their level.
Sige, 5 minutes pa.
Tubong Banwa. Stop, pump. Short. Iba ng Pangilinan. To Santos.
Keep it in the lane. 3 seconds.
Yes, on Santos. Foul. Foul on number 12 ni Sole. Sole? Foul on Tubong Banwa. Second team foul on Central. First on Tubong Banwa.
Somebody gotta hit the middle.
Julian. Foul. Foul on Pangilinan.
2 shots, 2 shots.
Third team foul on Central. Third personal foul on Pangilinan.
Tatlo lang, tatlo. Dalawa ba?
Jenny, what's the score?
Our score 58 to 38, 20-point lead on Panthers.
Just relax.
59 to 38.
We up 20. Get back, get back, get back.
Nice pass.
More pass, good.
Foul! Basket count and one on Catman. Foul on Hisole. Warning for penalty on Central. Basket count and one on Catman. Third personal foul against Hisole.
No, she good? You need some? You alright?
Bring the ball there.
Nice shot.
Yes, baby.
Nice.
Yes, on Catman. Third, 63 to 38.
Here we go. Yeah.
Hisole.
Foul, don't foul.
Nice.
Good, Carlos.
Tubong palo. Short. Hisole again. Drive. Stop. Up. Hisole. Coast to coast. Oh, too strong by Hisole.
3 on 2. All the way, Los.
Yes, baby. And one.
Yes, time out. On Central. Score 65 to 38. Hisole. Joseph to Kumanwa. Kumanwa. 10 to shoot.
Oh, elbow.
Nice.
There we go, yeah. Pressure. Oh, pressure. Good, Carlos. He's up.
Extra motion.
Warning on Santos for extra motion.
Okay.
Let's go.
Sound.
Okay. One on top. Jabs. One on top.
Vivian, air ball, short.
It's okay.
Our next game will be Abu Dhabi Bombers versus Delta.
Watch the corner.
Santos.
Elbow. There you go.
Foul.
Time left 240.
Foul on Arsenio.
On the ground, no penalty.
Third team foul on Panthers. So, second on Arsenio.
Yeah.
Chaps, rebound.
Watch outside. Right, left.
Chance, get down there.
Again. 40 to shoot. Steal by Isole. Tutu Manwa. Nice defense by Arsenio.
We need someone on the top.
Steal by Isole. Yes, it is Isole. 40 to 65. 20-point by Panthers.
Someone on the slide.
Come on, Loso. Get up.
Joseph. Again, too strong. Rebound by Julian. 1 minute 50 seconds, third quarter. DJ. Stop pump. In and out. Rebound by Japs. Japs. 40 to shoot. Looking for DJ. To Arsenio. Open jump. Short. Now Joseph. It's 2-2. Joseph drive. Pass. Intercepted by Chance. Tugubano. Foul. Foul on Arsenio. Warning for penalty on Panthers. Third personal foul on Arsenio. 65 to 40. Warning for penalty on Panthers. 1 minute.
At least.
Man jobs! 68 to 40 now. 18-point lead on Panthers. Yes to Bumba, no? 68 to 42. 45 seconds.
Play for one. Play for one.
40 seconds.
Spread out. Spread out.
Jump again. Bang, 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 bang on jumps. 71 to 42. 25 seconds.
Don't foul. Right there. Take some shoot. He's gonna drop his shoulder.
Let him go, let him go, let him go.
Yes, on Santos. 15.
Nice shot.
Nice. Get a rebound. Get a rebound.
4 seconds more.
Hey, down there. Stay down there. Elbow. He slapped it out. Ain't no. Yeah, take it out. Take it out.
4 seconds more.
He can't jump. You slapped it out, sir. Get out the play. You slapped it out. Come on. Let's go.
4 seconds.
Hey, 4 seconds. 4 seconds.
Last shot. Nice.
Oh, get up right there.
And about third quarter score 71 to 44. Still favor of
He's gonna be standing on.
No, blind.
One.
Filipino blind.
Oh yes, nice.
Let me go, Twan.
Yes! On jumps coming pa doon. 73 to 44. Joseph. Pass to Sole. Drive. Yes, son. Sole.
The screen is off.
Call the technical.
Oh, he ran to me.
Call the technical.
Can I check here? Sarap mo din.
Excuse me. Can we have just English speaking so we understand what you guys are saying so that it's just fair, okay? Yeah, but that's please no.
Boss, can I check the camera? They're fair.
Nakita ko. Nakita ko.
Both teams, both players, Con and Santos, 3 minutes out of the game. Santos and Tuon, 3 minutes out of the game.
You're in. I Jackson. Nice posting, Tim.
On the court. That's a
Yes, beautiful girl.
14 to shoot. Foul.
Beautiful call. Beautiful move, Carlo.
Toilet. Foul on number 24. Carrion.
Next break, Tell you why. You keep them busy. Come on, next one, Gottman.
Fourth on Carrion. Warning on Carrion. First team foul on Central. Foul on Tuon. Catman. 14-10 to shoot.
That's 3 points.
Fair ball.
Good pass. Call, ref, call.
Diretso.
Oh! In and out.
Pinalayo nyo.
Foul.
On who?
Call number.
Foul on Strong. First team foul on Panthers.
Oh, the time, okay. 47.
8:47.
8 minutes 47 seconds. 73 against 46. 47-73. Foul. Foul on number 9 on jumps. Second on jumps, second team foul on the Panthers.
3 minutes up. How many minutes I got left?
8 minutes 40 seconds.
I'm talking about me. How many minutes I got left?
I'll tell you.
I can go?
No need to go.
Hey guys, let's go both out.
What'd you say, Q?
47-73, 8 minutes 50 seconds.
Foul, right? He reaches. No, he's not.
Panthers ball, Panthers.
Him, someone needs to be on the midline.
How about here?
Our ball, our ball, our ball.
Pero Ras.
Yes?
Time out.
Time out! Oh! Denny.
5 seconds.
Foul. Foul again on number 24. Ganyan Carrion, 5 fouls. Second team foul on Central. Second team foul against Central.
Good pick, Danny.
Short. Iban on Soler.
Stop it there. Good.
Ay, Kamin. Santos, go onside. Tuan, Santos.
Wait.
Time out on Sense. Inbound ni Katman to Julian. Foul. Foul on Sole. 13 foul on Central. 13 foul.
Get ready.
Hisole, 4th foul on Hisole. Warning on Hisole.
Yes.
Yes, on
Good pass,
Julian.
good pass. Good finish, Julian.
75 against 48. Bang on Joseph. Oh, it's still by Sole. Sole again to Joseph. Nice defense at 1. 7 minutes, substitution reps up. Wala, stop, wala. 6 minutes 50 seconds, 75 to 51. Joseph again. Bang on Joseph. 54 to 75, 6 minutes 40 seconds. Julian, escape. Ano naman may pagkalalan? Julian drive, Julian attack. Foul. Foul on Makalalad. Warning for penalty on Central. 6 minutes 20 seconds. Third on Makalalad.
Get ready.
Wala. May ilaw na. May kumaliging na sa baba. Ayun. Nasabik.
14 to shoot. Shot. Rebound by Cole. Foul. Foul on Makalalad. Fourth personal foul on Makalalad. Now Central on penalty.
How's your knee? Bury somebody.
I need only one here.
6 minutes. Our next game will be Delta against Abu Dhabi Powers. $76 to 54, 22-point lead on Central. Panthers.
Not you, Twan. Not you. Corner. He's in the corner.
Ball on Santos. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Demi. 13 foul on Panthers. Third personal foul against Demi. Foul.
Yeah, he got it, he saw it.
Foul on Santos. Penalty.
Take your time, Twan.
I mean, you already losing. At least lose like a man.
Second personal foul on Santos. Penalty tayo, ref. Penalty.
Lose with some dignity. Come on, man.
Paano kaya tayo?
Come on, Twan.
Take your time, baby.
You got the last two? I take it.
Short. Di pa na Pangilinan. Tuisole. 5 minutes. Joseph. 14 to shoot. Bang! 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 On Joseph! 76 to 57. Turnover on Panthers.
Hey, 22.
76 to 57, 19-point lead now. On Panthers. Yes, on Santos. 76 to 59, 76, 59. Teruel. Yes, on Julian.
Technical! Delaying the game. Panthers.
Oh, technical foul on Panthers for the game.
She's holding the ball, Lord.
Two free throw shot.
You didn't give it to him.
It's okay. They need every point they can get.
78 to 59, 78, 19-point lead on Panthers. 19-point lead against Panthers.
We have to have one. Get it! 22!
We understand. Rest is trying to help him out a bit. Traveling.
Isole. 10 to shoot. Yes, on Pangilinan. Foul.
Carlos.
Shooting.
Foul on number 12.
Carlos, you can either switch with Kenneth.
12.
Penalty red, penalty. Isole. 5 fouls on Isole. 5 fouls.
Julian, here. Look at the ball. Good work, Cam.
Rematch up! Maybe 22!
Balik ka.
Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Yeah. Just stick with him. Hand in his face.
Lapit pa eh.
35.
Pare, lapit.
78 to 61. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Yes, on Makalalad. 63 to 78.
What's time left?
Our next game, Abu Dhabi Bombers versus Delta.
80 to 63.
80 to 63.
Sub, next sub.
Basket substitution.
2 minutes. Simbol! Alright.
Pasal.
Go in. Okay, ready.
2 minutes.
Yeah, I know. But they keep getting you for this.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Joseph! Now 14-point lead on Panthers, 80-66. 1 minute 50 seconds. Catman. Drive, attack. Nice defense on Joseph. 80 to shoot, 18. 1 minute 40 seconds to shoot, rep sub.
Kenneth, Carlos, yeah. Carlos. Yeah.
No. Ken already came out. Wait.
We got 5.
In and out. Arsenio.
I say get back in the game.
Open the back!
Pause live.
He knows.
1 minute 40 to shoot.
Go all the way, Ivan.
There you go. Effort. That's all right. Julian, turn. Thank you.
59 seconds.
Tapos sa likod.
There you go. Come on, you got it.
Sa kanya siya kadua ito din.
You good?
Kadua. Dari ka sa kanya ito din.
50 seconds.
There you go, Denny.
Here we go, Denny.
40 seconds.
Back door. Kill him, Juan.
Kador ka
Right, we have it.
Kita beres-beres.
30.
Oh, he went cold. I'm gonna meet you there, all right? I'm gonna meet you there.
20 seconds, 20.
Display. Oh, sure, display.
Who you think?
Where are you? Where? Who?
Oh, they give it to you. You burn
I was
them.
about to ask you. I don't know.
Good.
Danny.
They gave it to you again.
Danny.
She only hit one shot. You want to give me something?
Oh.
They give it to you. You burn them.